Welcome everybody. This is Milan Soccer 1313 for another box break of SP Authentic. This is box number 1 of 8 of a fresh inner. We did have the master case. We did all 8 in the other one. And to be honest, the master case hit didn't come out, so we're hoping for good stuff for boxes 1 through 8 on the other inner. This is Untouchables Box Break number 96 that ended June 28, 2020. Thanks again to everybody who bid and paid so quickly so we can get the breaks out the same night. That's the point of this. We do one box, we get them out, and if everybody cooperates and we pay, we get them done the same night, so everybody has a little bit of fun. Okay, so without further ado, let's go through and see what teams everybody's won. Abel 454 has won the Boston Bruins. Andre 119 has won the Red Wings, the Panthers, the Knights, the Penguins, and the Toronto Maple Leafs. Blue 666 has won the Coyotes, the Wild, the Canadiens, the Islanders, the Senators, the Flyers, the Sharks, the Blues, the Lightning, the Canucks, the Capitals, and the Winnipeg Jets. Collection 450 has the Ducks. Collector Cards owns the Nashville Predators. Junior 51569 owns the Sabres, Devils, and the Rangers. Maria 1970 owns the Blackhawks. Michelin Man owns the Flames, the Hurricanes, the Stars, the Oilers, and the LA Kings. Speed Demon owns the Colorado Avalanche. And 2 Condon 0 owns the Columbus Blue Jackets. So let's get to that break. Again, that's the serial number that was posted on all 31 listings, and we're going to show that right before we open up the box. Let me just switch over to the cam. And there we have it. All right, so first things first, let's show that serial number on there. And you can see it clear as day, ending in 345. See if we can just get it to focus one more time. And we have it. So now that that's out of the way, good luck everybody. And again, this is box 1 of box 8. We will be listing all 8 boxes. And box 2 will go Thursday, and box 3 will go Sunday. And those are already posted. Let's hope for that master case hit. Good luck, everybody. I must say the other inner wasn't the worst, but it didn't have a true master case hit. And we have a hit for the Canes right off the hop. David Ayres, Young Guns. That's a beauty. He's the Zamboni driver who beat the Leafs, and that card catches some dollars. So congratulations to Carolina right off the hop. Wow, way to start. Wow. And we have a autographed Future Watch. This gets better and better every pack. For the, I don't believe it. Oh, I thought it was him. It's New Jersey Devils, but not the guy we're looking for. Nathan Bastian. 936 out of 999 for your New Jersey Devils. Wow. If every pack's like this, we're off to a great start. Authentic Moments for your Montreal Canadiens, Ryan Poling. Base. Yeah, the David Ayres card fetches some dollars, though. I don't blame it. It'll probably be the only card ever made of him. We have another Young Guns. Wow, you never get 2. Adam Johnson for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Color. Base. Wow, what a start. And we have a hit for the Washington Capitals, Alex Ovechkin, Spectrum FX. And that is with the bounty intact. Nice hit for the Washington Capitals. Base. Not bad. We have a Future Watch Level 2 for your Toronto Maple Leafs, Rasmus Sandin. Wow, this box is on fire. Maybe it's making up for the other inner. But again, the other inner wasn't bad. Bounty intact. Congratulations to the Toronto Maple Leafs. Not bad. Not bad at all. Way to start box 1 out of box 8. And we have a signed of the Times, John Gibson, for your Anaheim Ducks. Wow. Not bad. Not bad at all for your Anaheim Ducks. And then we have a filler. Base. Box is amazing. SP Essentials for your Washington Capitals, John Carlson. We have a base update for your Arizona Coyotes, Darcy Kemper. Base. We have SP Essentials, Speak of the Devil, John Gibson. 2 hits for Anaheim, both John Gibson. John Gibson's the base card at the back. That's funny. Base. And we have a SP Limited, Henrik Lundqvist for your New York Rangers. Congratulations to the Rangers. Base. Oh, I thought this authentic moment was better than that. Jordan Binnington for your St. Louis Blues. Authentic moments. Filler. Base. We have another Future Watch, again for the Devils, but not the guy we're looking for, not the Hughes. But this is a Mackenzie Blackwood Future Watch auto for the New Jersey Devils. Not bad. New Jersey, a couple hits, a couple signed cards. That's 3 autos in the first box, plus 2 Young Guns, plus an Ovi. What a great box to start. Sign of the Times. We have authentic moments for your Boston Bruins, Tuukka Rask. We have a Joel Edmondson base update for your Carolina Hurricanes. Hello. Base. Few packs to go. Again, guys, hopefully see you guys throughout the whole inner. I know we're looking for those case hits. Base. Another Spectrum FX. This time it's Rasmus Dahlin for your Buffalo Sabres. Bounty intact. Congratulations to Buffalo. Base. 2 packs to go. A Future Watch level 1 for your LA Kings, Nikolai Orkerkin. Bounty intact. That's a lot of those. Usually you don't get that many. Maybe we're onto something this inner. Maybe we're onto something. Last pack, it's thick. You can only hope for a patch. It is a patch. They give us 4 autos in this box. Wow. Base. A patch. Ryan Lindgren auto patch out of 100, 57 out of 100 for your New York Rangers. Boom. Nice looking patch. Future Watch, Lindgren, auto patch, 3 breaks, 3 colors. Bang, right off the box. Wow. Great hit for the Rangers. Congratulations. Base. There you have it. I'll post it. Thanks, guys. Hopefully see you through box through 2 through 8.